Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Vocabulary Quiz. You will hear 25 questions. Take your time. Think carefully. Are you ready? Let's start.
Question 1. Listen the bird. In the tree. Question 2. My homework right now. Question 3. The children. In the garden at the moment. Question 4. Look it. Outside. Question 5. We. Dinner together this evening. Question 6. He. On a big project these days. Question 7. They. How to speak Spanish this semester. Question 8. SHH the baby. Question 9. Are you coming to the party on Saturday? Question 10. The weather. Colder and colder. Question 11. At this hotel for long. Question 12. He. His keys, it's so annoying. Question 13. She. Her boss tomorrow afternoon. Question 14. We. With friends until we find a house. Question 15. Is she playing tennis this weekend? Question 16. Wait a minute, An email. Question 17. You. Mistakes in your work. Question 18. The number of people using the app. Question 19. Are they moving to a new city next month? Question 20. Who? Next to you right now. Question 21. Hurry up, the movie. Question 22. My doctor at 10 a.m. Question 23. The cat. On the sofa as usual. Question 24. The buses. Running early tonight. Question 25. Digital art. Very popular lately.